8 bags of frozen rabbits.
Go, Jack. Go, Jack. Go, Jack. Oh.
Don't let it go. Grantling.
Oh, get in. Oh.
Follow up, Jack.
Nice try, Jack.
That's a Portsmouth jacket, isn't it? Is that what they're?
Maybe.
4 containers of shortening. Is that enough? Why don't you get 6? Yeah, it came today. It's in my car. It's all the stuff. Oh no, it's all and grab a few bags of AP flour. The biggest ones they have. 4 of the biggest bags they have. Just one basket of AP flour. Regular size, but it's too tight.
Cody.
Oh. Go. Oh, come on.
So he had nothing to do with like the
SO flour? What's that?
Come on, Jack.
Generic corn syrup, or whatever's cheapest. Like 5 bottles of molasses. I have to do gingerbread.
Go.
mixed with
Oh,
molasses.
God.
It doesn't matter. Whatever's cheapest. It's just for houses. And
Get it, Nick.
pumpkin. Again, whatever. If it's the 15-ounce cans, get 10 of them.
Oh, get it again.
15 ounce.
Get it again. Get in there. Come on, get in there.
15 times 10 is 150 ounces. Yeah. I think that's everything. The rest of the stuff I gotta get to Sam's over the weekend, but I'll wait till my orders are all in.
Nice, Cody. Go, Cody.